Hello, and welcome to this short video on a KUPO wide base high overhead stand. When you need a stand that scrapes the sky, is stable and strong enough to fly an overhead in a stiff breeze, this wide base overhead stand is an excellent choice. As you see next to me, this stand was designed to fly overhead frames, also known as butterflies, or just to hoist any lighting fixture or accessory skyward up to a dizzying 21 feet with a load capacity of 88 pounds. It is a staple on a grip truck. This all-steel bad boy features a 4.5-inch combo head, also known as a true combo stand, affectionately known as a lollipop. Well, I guess it is big and round like a lollipop. The combo head features a female junior 1 1/8-inch receiver to accept junior pins. The wide base overhead stand also features spring-cushioned riser sections with enough distance so that if the brakes are ever accidentally not tightened enough, the springs will prevent your fingers from being crushed. It also features 2 leveling legs to level the stand on inclines, uneven terrain, or even a super wide staircase simulated with a couple of apple boxes. There are 3 steel rings welded to the top riser section, just under the combo head, used in conjunction with ropes to help stabilize the stand in windy conditions. To open a stand, loosen the knob at the top of the leg casting and spread the legs until the struts are parallel to the ground. Tighten to secure in place. Let's fly this 12-foot square overhead on top of our 2 wide base overhead stands. Let's take an ear and place it between a rear plate and the body of our lollipop, or 4.5-inch grip head, and turn the handle clockwise to secure in place. Now simply place the center of the overhead frame on the ear and turn the knob to secure in place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.